Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh, Esperanto. Right, this afternoon I got 4 times sitting here. You know what, it's called what, Laweung. This is very tall, awesome place here. Not only by that, but also, you know, I got bringing to my friend. His name is Oliam Dan Aslam. Visiting it, you know what, it's noodle. This very tall, all I couldn't imagine in my life. You know what? Today, I myself, I want to promoting, you know, about this, you know, noodle uses a fish. Can you imagine that? And then now I got 4 times, almost 5th time to promoting this tourism, you know, history about, you know, tourism, and then place of sport place tourism in Aceh, not only in Aceh but also several places in Asia. I focus on myself with a lot of tourists together. This is very tall, awesome. This is called what, noodle Laweung, using by, you know, fish. This is very tall, awesome. Tuna fish, you know what? I can't live in my life. This is very tall, you know, lazy in your life. You couldn't find in life, not only from United States, not only from Australia, not only, you know, from Europe, but also, you know, just only in Asia. It's only for Indonesia. You couldn't find, you know what, in your life like this. I myself, if the coronavirus again, I always, you know, went in a lot of tourists, guys, you know, visiting Aceh. I myself, as tourist guide, invite a lot of tourists guys to Aceh. And now, almost 1 year. Every single tour guide in Aceh, you know, they have, you know, wait just because they're waiting for it, yes, you know, our country. Since coronavirus in Aceh or Indonesia or worldwide nowadays, tourism getting down, you know, but I can't live that. Now, I just focus for, you know, to promoting, you know, this very tall, awesome, this noodle, using, you know, fish, tuna fish. This very tall, declaring myself, make me on a plant man, because you know what? It's very tall, awesome. So, if you want to visit Indonesia, don't forget to stop by Aceh. Aceh has, you know, 17, you know, district, local district. Purpose, you know, this very tall, awesome and life for focusing for tourism and myself. And then invite a lot of tourists together. Aceh is very tall all in life. And now I'm still, you know, waiting a lot of tourists together in Aceh. I got a lot of invite from, you know, only from, you know, Instagram, Facebook, but also YouTube. Invite for promising like tourism and then history, Tomsun, Aceh Tomsun, the Kingdom, and then, you know, Kuliner is very totally awesome. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because, you know, you couldn't find life like this. You know what? Talk about this little Laweung using, you know, tuna fish. It's very totally awesome. You couldn't imagine that. So let's see how we are eat this. You know what? It's mixed by, you know, a chili, and then broccoli, and then cucumber, and then Sprite lemon. It's very totally awesome. So don't forget visiting here. We call what Mila Ujung very totally awesome. Alright, let's get it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I am as tourist guide. I just invite a lot of tourists get Aceh. They're very totally awesome. Alright, please, one more time, don't forget visiting Indonesia, especially Aceh. Now it says it tolerable for December 26, almost, you know, 16 years ago. Aceh hit by tsunami, you know, at a time. But after tsunami, sister, every single, you know, foreigner, no Aceh nowadays. Every single guest, you know, Aceh nowadays. Every single people in the worldwide nowadays, our tsunami, sister, tolerable for December 26 at a time. No Aceh. So one more time, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because that was you can learn about culture, agriculture, and then you can learn how to reason, and then you can learn anything about how to learn many languages, and then how to learn, you know, about, like, you know, culinary, and then our history, and then tourism and Aceh culture. Alright, that's my time, my speed up. Don't forget to like my channel because we're very talk all in life. Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.